Living in Washington, D.C. comes with its fair share of benefits: access to cultural landmarks, a vibrant community, and plenty of professional opportunities. However, the city's fluctuating weather can pose a challenge to homeowners trying to maintain a comfortable living environment. With hot summers, chilly winters, and unpredictable spring and fall temperatures, keeping your home comfortable year-round can become a constant battle. One of the best ways to improve indoor comfort in your Washington, D.C. home is through replacement windows. Not only can they enhance the look of your home, but they can also provide significant benefits in terms of energy efficiency, temperature regulation, and noise reduction. Here's how replacement windows can improve your indoor comfort. Enhanced temperature control. Washington, D.C. experiences extreme temperatures throughout the year, sweltering summers and cold winters. These temperature fluctuations can make it difficult to keep your home consistently comfortable without driving up energy bills. Older windows, especially those with single panes or deteriorating seals, allow heat to escape in the winter and let cool air in during the summer. This makes it harder for your HVAC system to maintain the desired temperature, leading to higher energy usage and discomfort. Replacement windows are designed to improve insulation. Modern windows come with advanced technologies such as double or triple pane glass with insulating gases like argon or krypton between the panes. These windows help to better regulate indoor temperatures by preventing heat from escaping in winter and blocking unwanted heat in the summer. The added insulation helps keep your home comfortable without overworking your heating and cooling systems. This improvement leads to more consistent indoor temperatures and a more comfortable living environment year-round. Improved energy efficiency. The older, inefficient windows are one of the leading culprits of energy loss in homes. If your windows are not properly sealed or insulated, you may be unknowingly wasting energy and driving up your utility bills. Replacement windows are engineered with energy efficiency in mind, and upgrading to modern windows can significantly reduce your heating and cooling costs. Most replacement windows are ENERGY STAR rated, meaning they meet specific standards for energy efficiency set by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency. These windows are equipped with features like low E coatings, which reduce the amount of heat that enters or exits through the glass. As a result, your home stays warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer without relying heavily on your HVAC system. Over time, this can lead to substantial savings on your energy bills, all while improving your indoor comfort. Noise reduction. If your Washington home is located in a busy neighborhood or near a high traffic area, noise pollution can be a major concern. The constant sound of traffic, construction, or street activity can make it difficult to relax or concentrate. Unfortunately, traditional windows often allow noise to easily penetrate through the glass and frames, disrupting your peace and quiet. Replacement windows with multiple panes or laminated glass are designed to offer better soundproofing qualities. The extra layers of glass and the insulating gas between the panes act as a barrier to block out external noise. If you're located in a noisy area, upgrading to high-quality, noise-reducing windows can significantly improve your indoor comfort by creating a quieter, more peaceful environment. Whether you're working from home, relaxing after a long day, or hosting a gathering, noise reduction is a significant factor in improving your overall comfort. Better UV protection. In addition to temperature and noise control, windows also play a role in protecting your home's interior from harmful UV rays. Washington, D.C. is known for its sunny days, and prolonged exposure to sunlight can cause fading and damage to your furniture, flooring, and artwork. Older windows may not offer much protection against UV rays, allowing them to penetrate into your home and cause deterioration over time. Modern replacement windows come with advanced UV blocking coatings, which can prevent harmful rays from entering your home. These windows can block a significant amount of UV radiation while still allowing natural light to flow into your space. This helps protect your interior furnishings and keeps your home cooler by reducing the heat and glare associated with direct sunlight. Plus, it's a great way to preserve the longevity of your decor while still enjoying natural light. Increased comfort for all seasons. Washington's climate can be unpredictable, with sudden shifts from warm to cold weather. With replacement windows, you can enjoy a more consistent indoor environment, regardless of the season. Whether it's the blistering heat of summer or the cold snap of winter, properly installed, energy-efficient windows will maintain your home's comfort without overburdening your HVAC system. In addition to temperature regulation, modern windows are designed to prevent drafts, which can create cold spots in your home during the winter months. This means no more bundled-up evenings sitting near the heater or feeling uncomfortable near drafty windows. With replacement windows, your home will remain cozy and consistent throughout the year. Improved aesthetics and natural light. Not only do replacement windows improve the functionality of your home, but they can also enhance its aesthetic appeal. Whether you're going for a sleek, modern look or a more classic design, replacement windows come in a variety of styles, colors, and materials to complement your home's architectural style. Larger windows or options with thinner frames allow for more natural light, which can make your home feel more open, inviting, and spacious. More natural light can contribute to a healthier indoor environment, improving mood, productivity, and well-being. By upgrading your windows, you can enhance your living space's overall ambiance, making it feel brighter and more welcoming. Final thoughts: replacement windows are a wise investment for any Washington, D.C. homeowner looking to improve indoor comfort. By upgrading to energy-efficient, noise-reducing, and UV-protective windows, you can enjoy a more comfortable, peaceful living environment year-round. Not only will you improve your home's comfort, but you'll also save on energy bills and protect your interior furnishings. Whether you're concerned about temperature regulation, noise pollution, or preserving the aesthetic value of your home, replacement windows offer a wide range of benefits that will make your living space more enjoyable for years to come.